Hey, hi guys, welcome back to Tech Engineer. So today we are going to discuss about why electrical motor may give the noise. So let's see one by one what is the main issue. Okay, so first one is electric motor may give a noise due to magnetic effect. Magnetic effect. So number two, defective bearing. Bearing. Third one, cooling air moving part. Rubbing together. Right. The fourth one, a loss or missing screw. So fifth one, other minor parts. These are all issue the electrical motor make a noise. Okay, so thanks for watching Tech Engineer. Have a great day.